This is my compact run and gun rig for my Sony FX3. It's a very lightweight, versatile setup for when you're on the move and don't want to carry around a full cinema rig setup. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build a rig like this for your Sony FX3. Let's get right to it. Alright, so first things first, we're going to start by attaching the SmallRig half cage to the actual camera body itself. The half cage only covers about half of the camera body instead of going around the full body like a traditional cage, which significantly reduces the overall weight and size. Attaching it is a very simple and easy process. All you do is attach it from the bottom here by screwing in the bottom screw. Once that's done, we're going to attach this right over here, which is the NATO rail top rail. So this will allow you to actually add any accessories that have a NATO rail mount on it. So in my case over here, I will be attaching a top handle that has a NATO rail mount on it as well. So this will just simply allow you to do that with ease. This just very easily attaches to the top of the Sony FX3 by mounting exactly where the original top handle's screws would have been. Next, we'll grab our SmallRig's top handle that has a record button built into it. Like I just mentioned, this has a NATO rail mount on it, so you just simply slide it on, line it up where you want to, and then tighten this knob right up over here. Once that's tight, just check to make sure everything feels nice and tight and solid, and then you're good to go. Next, we're going to grab this right here, which is a monitor mount from SmallRig as well. So this just basically allows you to attach a monitor on top of the top handle, which makes it a lot easier to see when you're filming. So this mount here just screws in right to the front of the top handle, locks in place, and then you'll easily be able to add your monitor on top of that. So next, we're going to grab the field monitor from Godox, which is a 5-inch field monitor. I've been really enjoying this monitor since it is super lightweight and compact, but the screen is big enough to be able to see all the details you need to. So this just easily screws onto the top of this mount right over here, and then you can angle it very easily. Next, we're going to have to attach the cable that will run the power from the camera to the top handle to allow you to hit that button to record. So one end just simply connects into the top handle slot via USB-C, and the other end goes right into the port on the camera. Then we're going to grab our HDMI cable right here. This is just a coiled HDMI to HDMI cable that has a right angle on one end of it. So one end just simply plugs into the camera body itself in its HDMI port, and the other end goes directly into the monitor. Then this right here is the side handle from SmallRig. This is great to add extra stability to your rig, and it looks fantastic. This handle right here also has a NATO rail mount, so it just simply slides on to the side of the SmallRig half cage, and it just clamps in by tightening this knob. Once that's fully secure, we can go ahead and attach our battery to our monitor so we can power it. And then we can go ahead and get our lens ready to attach to the camera. So we'll just pop off the cap. Take off the camera sensor cover. And just simply screw in our lens. Now this lens right here is the SLR Magic Micro Prime Cine lens. It is a 50mm t1.2 lens and is one of my go-to lenses. And once it's all set up, the final piece here is the VMic D3 Pro from Deity. It just simply slides into the cold shoe mount on the half cage from SmallRig and tightens in place very easily. Then you just plug in the cable to the microphone jack on the camera and you're ready to go. So as you can see, this is a great setup for all of your run and gun needs. It's a very lightweight and compact setup, and it's just a great setup for the Sony FX3. I'll be doing a full cinema rig build out soon as well, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.